This presentation speaks to understanding air pressure in a building, how it's related to atmospheric pressure. A building should be always in a positive pressure to outside air pressure. This way it stops dust, air, dirt from infiltrating into the building every time a door or a window is opened. The calculations done to assess air pressure do not require anything more than high school mathematics. To measure airflow in a building takes some training and is usually done by a technician trained in airflow or air balance techniques. You must use pressure sensors when measuring static or airflow. The air balance technician will also make airflow adjustments using balancing dampers which are located in the ductwork. This is commonly known as air balancing. Now, to air balance a building, it may entail adjusting motor pulleys to increase or decrease fan speeds. When it is noted that airflow as produced by a supply, return, or exhaust fan is below design parameters, adjustments will have to be made. Whether fan motors and blowers can be increased in speed is dependent on the horsepower of the motor that is in place. If there is sufficient amperage draw available on the motor, it may be sped up proportionately. To increase or decrease fan or blower speed, the fan pulleys will have to be changed. To decrease fan speed, a smaller outside diameter motor puller must be installed. This will result in the motor amperage being decreased. To increase fan speed, a larger outside diameter motor pulley must be installed. This will result in the motor amperage being increased. It is a direct relation between fan speed and fan air volume. If you increase the fan speed by 10%, you will increase the air volume by 10%. If you decrease the fan speed by 10%, you will decrease the air volume by 10%. However, this is not true of motor current draw. If you increase fan speed by 10%, you will increase motor current draw by around 30%. Before increasing pulley size, you must be certain that the horsepower of the motor is great enough. If it is not, it will then require that the motor must be replaced with one of greater horsepower and current draw capability. Technicians, after setting the correct air system air volume, are then required to adjust zone balance dampers to increase or decrease zone supply and return air to meet design criteria. Technicians, after setting the correct zone supply air volumes, then adjust individual supply air diffusers balance dampers to increase or decrease supply airflow to individual areas or offices. When supply air volumes are correct, the technician must adjust individual return air grill balance dampers to increase or decrease return airflow to individuals, areas, or offices. When the supply and return air volumes are correct, the technician is required to adjust individual exhaust air grill balance dampers to increase or decrease exhaust air flow to individual areas or offices. At the end of the air pressure measurement and air balance, a report must be compiled detailing all fan and diffuser design and actual balance conditions. Thank you very much.